Hi guys, this is take 3. This is proving quite difficult to do. Here we have Twiddledee and Twiddledum, designed by Derek Bosch and 3D printed by Steve Nichols. You can tell the difference. Twiddledum has just a single slash in the top of the inner pieces on each end, whereas Twiddledee has one on each side. Again, both on each end. Twiddledee is by far the harder of the two puzzles. I've still not solved it after months and months of trying. Twiddledum I have finally solved, as I've described in the blog post. There are quite a few people that have managed to take it apart and either can't reassemble it or can't consistently dismantle their puzzle. So I'm going to show off how to do it now. Turning it sideways, pressing the inner pieces, you'll find that one of them will go one way and the other will go the other way as far as it can. The same colour pieces on the outside will rotate outwards so that they are symmetrical and level, and then what we want to do is focus on just the right hand side. You could do the left hand side, but it's no longer symmetrical from this point on. Taking the inner piece as far as it will go, the outer piece out as far as it will go, and then the inner piece again. At this point you need to rotate the outer piece back in and the inner piece back in. At this point you now can close it up, the outer pieces. Notice that the inner blue is at 90 degrees to its starting point. Push the inner one in as far as it will go, and at this point you've now released this so it will pull up and turn anti-clockwise, and then we can pull that out a bit so the right hand side inner can come out, and then we rotate the outer orange piece downwards again, and it's now brought this to 180 degrees from its starting point. It will now pull upwards to there, and you'll notice that this little blue diamond is halfway up and meeting the end. We can now close the outer pieces, and it may have pulled out to there, but that's not what we want. We want it to pull out that way. So again, this little blue half diamond is sticking up at the level of its same similar colour, and in doing so that has now released this piece. Just rotate it a little bit and out it comes. Nothing else will move, so we bring that back down as far as it will go, rotate that again as far as it will go, and this blue inner piece will now rotate just so that the triangular cutout comes level with the apex there. At that point we can now unscrew that, and that now releases the other piece. Now we see why it's called Twiddledee and Twiddledum. If you look at, if I rotate it, these are identical twins. They are both the same. Difficult to show off in the camera, but they are identical, as are the two outer pieces. Again, we have, let me turn them the right way around, that's it. A single diamond at the top of each, rotating it round, and you can now see two diamonds on the right hand side. So that's the disassembly of Twiddledee, Twiddledum. I can't remember which one now.